Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn these and those. We use these for things that are right here, and we use those for things far away. These are apples, and they are near us. These are books. These are pencils. And these are flowers and toys. Look outside. Those are far away. Can you see the colorful kites? Look at all of those things. And those are kites. Those are buses and mountains.
Wow, those are so cool!
Let's practice. Look at the pictures. Far.
Those are kites.
How about the books?
These are books.
Awesome job! You are all. Use these for things that are near. And use those for things that are far. That is right! These are apples.
These are apples.
Those are birds.
Those are birds. Goodbye! See you next time!
Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!